Now you are going to take a trip to a very beautiful and comfortable place. Now take nice, slow, deep breaths at the deep and beautiful forest. Appreciate the masterpiece of nature while breathing gently and deep. Now close your eyes and continue to slowly breathe in and out. Now, recall the images of the lake you just saw. Visualize yourself sitting on the chair by the lake and watching the beautiful and peaceful lake. Now you feel yourself become completely relaxed and easy there. You watch yourself breathing deeply and slowly. You are breathing slowly as you feel yourself more relaxed. You feel more relaxed as you breathe more slowly. Now, you feel yourself becoming more relaxed as your breaths become deeper and you feel yourself becoming deeply relaxed and more comfortable as you watch the gently waving lake. Now, you feel all negative thoughts fading away, but peace flooding into your mind. Now, you feel your mind become so calm, serene, and peaceful. Now, you feel your body become healthier and stronger than ever. When you open your eyes, you will do everything positively and successfully. Take 3 deep breaths and open your eyes.